Welcome to Fiona's Food for Life YouTube channel. Cook, eat, nourish. Today I'm going to give you a little tour around the YouTube channel, looking at different playlists ranging from fermentation to vegetarian to side dishes, desserts, breakfast. Loads of inspiration and recipes. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Today I'm going to give you my last video tour around my YouTube channel. So when you come into my home YouTube channel, you can subscribe over here, you can search here, you can look at all of the recent uploads along here. But also, if we go to playlists, that's where I have grouped together all my videos into useful areas for you. For example, the first one we'll look at is quick meals. So I have 9 different videos there at the moment. And they are quick meals varying from an omelette to the turkey and courgette burgers. Lots of these ones are my 20-minute meals. So when I say a quick meal, the omelette is even quicker than that. The poke bowl, if you've the cooked rice, can be pulled together very quickly. But most of the rest of them are that from the time you walk in the door, you've 20 minutes to have the meal on the table. That's where you'll find those in the playlist called Quick Meals. So then if we go back, the next one we will look at is vegetarian. So you can type here and search for whatever you like, or you can go in here and look under vegetarian dishes. So I have 19 different dishes here that will be for vegetarian cooking. So it'll vary from toasted seeds to dal to sauerkraut to omelette, energy balls, baked falafel, vegan bolognese. All sorts of different videos that will fit under the vegetarian playlist. If we go back and have a look, the next one I want to have a look at is side dishes. So here I have sauerkraut, hummus, mashed potato, dukkha, salad dressings, all of these different things that might accompany a meal and be side dishes, but not, say, a full meal. The next one I want to look at is healthy snacks. So in here you have toasted seeds, kefir ice pops, hummus, heart shortbreads, normal shortbreads, labneh cheesecake, black bean chocolate brownie muffin, baked falafel, dukkha, scones, hummus, granola bars, energy balls, power bars. Loads of different healthy snacks that you can have. The next playlist I want to show you is desserts. Not too many in this one, but I have the labneh cheesecake. You could serve the black bean chocolate brownie for dessert. I have chocolate biscuit cake, not one of my normal recipes. It is full of lots of sugar and processed foods, but a fantastic celebration cake, and kefir ice pops. The next playlist we'll look at is breakfast. I don't have too many here either. Breakfast, there we go. So I have the omelette and the overnight oats. They're the 2 different breakfasts that I have in here. And the last one I'm going to look at is fermentation. So in the fermentation playlist, I have 7 different ones here. So I would run maybe once every 2 months a fermentation demo in my kitchen in Dublin 18, where I show you how to make milk kefir, water kefir, labneh cheesecake, sourdough bread, sauerkraut and kimchi, and I give you all the starters to get going yourself. But here I have some of the videos to show you. So you can make the milk kefir, the sauerkraut, the sourdough bread, labneh cheesecake, water kefir, sauerkraut and kefir ice pops. So thanks a million for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and please share those videos with anyone that you think might be interested. Thanks a million. I'll see you soon.